Hey guys, how's it going? Sorry about the desk. I'm actually at work, and I figured I might do a quick unboxing on this lens before I ship it back to B&H Photo. As you see here, we have the Yongnuo 50mm F1.8 lens for Canon. I'll be honest with you, I was looking for a cheap camera lens for my cheap camera bodies, and this one really fit the bill. I was having a problem finding a used 50mm 1.8, obviously in Canon mount, that was reasonably priced. I refused to pay close to new lens prices on a used Canon lens, especially an all plastic entry-level lens. But I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. And here you're gonna get your warranty card, let me take the lens out real quick. What else is in here? A pack of delicious desiccant and some type of inspection card. Here we got the lens. Now I already had this out. I'm just doing this for the sake of this video. And there you have it. This is the Yongnuo 50mm f1.8 lens. It does look a lot like a knockoff of a Canon, but it's actually a little bit different. It's got a different optical formula, and it's got more aperture blades. But comes wrapped in little pieces of blue cellophane. Plastic lens mount, and it's stuck to my finger. But I'm going to put this aside for a second. The reason I'm sending this lens back is because it will not work on some of my film Rebel cameras. This is the Canon Rebel G. This was probably the third to last of the film Rebels that were released. It makes for nice, dependable, cheap camera, especially if you're taking pictures in not the best neighborhoods, or maybe you're traveling to a sketchy part of Central America like I was. But as you can see, actually first, here is the K2. The K2 was the first to last of the film Rebels that were released. Now, clicks on nice and securely. Turn on the camera. Oh, it's already on. And you can see it will work properly. I have a slow shutter set on purpose so you can see the actual aperture working. Autofocus is what it is. Nice and slow and loud. I'm really sorry about the focus hunting. This is not my usual setup here. I just want to shoot a quick video for you. Now, the problem arises is when I use it on my Rebel G. I'll turn on the camera. And we're going to try and take a picture, and the camera just locked up. I'm getting the low battery. Camera has brand new batteries in it, and it will not unlock until I touch the shutter again. Wait for the camera to focus. Again, I'm sorry. So we'll try one more time. Let's try a different mode. Let's try full auto. Here we go. Nothing. Not only the pop-up flash did not fire, the aperture did not dilate, and the film didn't advance. Now you're saying, Armando, there's something wrong with your camera. No. I actually own 3 film Rebels. I own actually 4 film Rebels. I own 2 Gs, and I own sorry about that. I own 2 Rebel Gs, a Rebel X, and a Rebel K2. The difference is that the Canon, the earlier Rebels, like this one, used an early version of the contrast detection, which probably isn't compatible with the software built into the lens, as opposed to, say, a slightly newer camera like this K2 uses phase detection and contrast detection. So therefore, it's compatible with the lens. So keep that in mind. If you're trying to get yourself a cheap camera setup like this one, and you're looking for a cheap lens to go along with your cheap camera body, chances are this lens is not going to work for you. The nice thing is if you order it from B&H, they just take it back if it's within the return period, and you have all your packaging. So keep that in mind. I hope this video was helpful to you. And leave a comment down below. I do my best to get back to people. And again, thanks for watching. Bye.